this institution of Risala is continuing. The institution of prophethood has come to an end. The prophet was a person who was receiving the revelation. If a person was a prophet of Allah also and a messenger of Allah also, what does it mean? As a prophet, he is receiving the message from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through angel Jibreel, the wahi. He is a prophet when he is receiving the wahi. That's why in Quran we find sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala addresses Muhammad, Ya ayyuhan Nabi, Ya ayyuhan Nabi. And sometimes he addresses Ya ayyuhan Rasool. Ya ayyuhan Rasool, balligh ma unzila ilayka min rabbik, wa illam tafal fama ballaghta risalata. Oh, you messenger of Allah, you convey to the people whatever has been sent to you. And if you don't perform your duty, well, you have not done your duty as the messenger. So messenger is, when he is conveying the message, he is Rasool. When he is receiving the message, he is Nabi. So actually these are the two sides of the person who is a Nabi as well as a Rasool. While receiving from Allah through the angel, he is Nabi. While conveying it to the humanity, he is messenger. Messenger is one who takes some message to somebody. He is the messenger.